The 9-speed gearbox is an impressive unit, serving up smooth and seamless shifts and effectively allocating the 240 pounds-to-foot of torque. Despite an 18% reduction in displacement compared with the previous generation Cruze's 2.0-liter diesel, the new car hit 60 miles per hour in an identical 8.0 seconds. That's only 0.4 seconds behind the performance of the gas model's turbocharged 1.4-liter. The diesel's aluminum engine block, along with general weight reduction in the new model, helps it drop 364 pounds versus the last diesel-powered Cruze. Roadholding and braking improve, too, with our car returning a respectable 0.84 grams of grip and a 167-foot stop from 70 miles per hour. The new engine also is quieter than before, making itself known only upon cold startup. Once it's warmed up, there's little to no hint of diesel clatter. Naturally, fuel economy is a crucial metric. It's up, according to both the EPA and our tests. The government rates it at 37 miles per gallon combined, a 5 mile per gallon bump from the previous Cruze diesel, with either transmission, and our overall average matched that impressive number. In our real-world, 75 mile per hour highway loop, the Cruze achieved a remarkable 52 miles per gallon, 6 miles per gallon better than a Toyota Prius and about 10% better than the EPA's 47 mile per gallon highway rating. If it's similarly overachieving, the manual Cruze diesel might do better still, given its 52 mile per gallon EPA highway rating. Long-haul drivers take note, 700-mile stints between fill-ups are definitely within reach.